Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix abnormal water level in the MOVA Z60 Ultra washboard. First, let's make sure that our dirty water tank isn't full. Open the door on top of the robot and see if the dirty water tank is empty. It should be emptied after each cleaning task by opening the lock here, and you just should empty it. Then you should also clean it every month to ensure that these two holes are clear and that the whole thing is clean to prevent any mold or stuff like that. Then you should put it in and make sure it's properly seated. Now I'll remove the robot from the station and I'll lift it for a moment so it doesn't go anywhere, because if I lift it for a moment and then lay it flat, it's not going to start like driving. And then you should remove the washboard. If you lift this notch right here, you can remove it, be gentle with it. And now if there's too much water in it, you may want to just physically remove it. If there's water anywhere here, you also may want to physically remove it and stuff like that. Now, what else is you may want to check if there's any debris here, some hair. You may want to use a flashlight and stuff like that. And the last thing is to inspect whether there's this tube that goes in the very center. It goes down at a right angle. Verify that it's not broken, that it doesn't have any creases on it, and that it's look on the inside of it and see if it's not stuffed with something. If none of that helped and the problem still persists after removing the water, reseating the dirty water tank and ensuring there's no debris down there, you may want to contact the after-sales service because it may require further fixes. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.